Every single day, people get really, really hungry.
Is yours really crispy?
Anyways, rather than go to the store themselves and get it, many people would rather order from their phones or other devices at home. And that's when they trust their trusty Uber deliverer, in this case me, to deliver their sweet, sweet food. But little do they know they're in for a very interesting day.
Sliding no bed now, I'm feeling like Venom. I told her kick it, back him, squeezing a Mac.
This is your order, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was tasting it for you to see if it tasted good.
But you're not supposed to taste my phone. Are you mad?
He going by breakfast, that boy shooting book.
Are you single? I got 40 big girls in a bottle. You trying to come party?
Are you literally eating my food?
I mean, I was trying to taste it to see if it tastes like good. So guys, I was scrolling through my YouTube feed about 2-3 days ago, and I saw this video right here from Canal Joseph, and I was like, how would I feel like if somebody brought me my Uber order that I paid for and ate my food right in front of me? And I was like, I'll be really, really mad. So then why don't I just actually do it to people? So I'm just gonna take people's Uber deliveries today and I'm gonna eat them. But here's the catch though. I'm not actually eating their food. I'm gonna put my own food in their bag and pretend that I'm eating their food and see how they react. So without further ado, if you want more videos like this, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So our first order, Chick-fil-A. We're on our way right now. First order secured. I was bringing the person's food up and I'm right in front of their crib, and I just realized I forgot the whole premise of the video, which was to buy my own food and pretend it was theirs. But we're gonna try again anyways. I'm gonna drop this off real quick. We just got on the floor. Yo, bro, see, this elevator is racist. This shit is racist.
Thank you.
She want me, right? She want.
No, she doesn't.
She wanted me, bro.
No, she doesn't.
She said thank you. Like she was trying to get my number or something, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You think she would have given me her number?
Nope.
Just a hater, bro. I just picked up both the orders, but the first one that we're gonna go deliver is Isabel. And I got some Popeyes fries that I put in her bag. I put the Popeye fries in her bag so that she feels that it's her food. But it's really Popeye. She's not really gonna notice it until like after.
You still want to tell me that's a statue?
This is really good.
What is it?
You don't want some?
Oh, no.
Well, this is your order, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was tasting it for you to see if it tasted good.
No, but you're not supposed to taste my phone.
Wait, that's not part of like the Uber rules?
Are you mad?
Nah, I was just I mean, you can have it back if you want.
No, I'm not gonna accept the food then.
No, I'm for this. It's fine. We literally looked everywhere and we can't find this restaurant, bro. It says it's Ipudu. I don't know what the fuck that shit is, but we can't find it. There's a slight problem. It started raining really bad. I think we're caught in a thunderstorm right now, and I don't even know how many deliveries that we can make. We're gonna see if their food is destroyed. It's not my fault, cause I tried. This place is actually kind of nice. I won't lie. Pick up for Soraya. We're on our way to her crib. But first, quick poll. For my OnlyFans, for like content. No, real quick. Damn, you don't want to make feet videos? Can I ask you a quick question for my
what's
OnlyFans? Like, are you like more of like an ass man or like a titty man? You look like an ass man.
I'm more of an ass man.
Yeah, me too. Good looks. So I can ask you a question real quick? Are you more of like an ass man or a titties man?
Ass man. 100%,
Ass man?
100%.
Exactly. We gotta stick together.
Man.
Yes, sir. You too, man. All right, thanks, Poppy. Remember when I said it was raining? Yeah, well, we were stuck in a thunderstorm without us knowing, and being that we had one umbrella, we were effed. And it rained more and more, and it got to the point where we didn't even know how we were gonna get through the storm. However, I was determined to make sure that this video was a success and I didn't fail you guys, so we came up with an alternative way to make sure the food was safe. The umbrella, and it's still difficult, bro. I know y'all saw that lightning, bro. Ain't no way I ain't see that lightning. Watch, the thunder about to go off any second, bro. I know it. Keep going, gang. You got it. Yeah, he do not got it at all. Yo, it's a river on the floor, bro. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, nah. So, this is our second order. His name is Harrison. That food looks like a slap. Word two. Yo! You see what I'm saying, bro? The food ripped. Yo! Hold on. What the? Yo, the ball open. What the fuck is this? What is this? What the fuck is this? Nah, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way, bro. Yo, this is a disgrace to humans, bro. Oh, this shit pop. This shit pop.
I don't squirt that shit up, bro.
It's squirted on me, bro. Oh my God, bro. This is
This is a disaster. You know what we could do? You know what we could do?
We're fucked, bro.
Dinner time. Dinner time. Dinner time. Yo, well, it's dinner time, bro. Eat it.
I can't even, bro.
She's gonna be like, well, that's your job, bro.
It's my job. Well, bitch, excuse me if it's raining, bro.
She's gonna be like, I paid you the money. The least you could do is give it to me, blah, blah, blah.
I'll shoot that food in front of her. Say I won't.
I won't lie, she def call the police on you.
If she call the police, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna run. I'm black bag, bro. Shit. Rats in New York be fucking bodybuilders, my nigga. Bro, niggas become big with long ass teeth, bigger than Master Splinter. Word two, bro. If somebody taught a rat how to fight, word two, bro, getting cooked.
Okay, I will let them know. Thank you so much.
No problem. Are you single? Are you single? I got 40 big girls in a bottle. You trying to come party?
I wish I could understand what you're telling me.
Like, I got 40 big girls in a bottle. Like, we doing like a documentary for OnlyFans.
40 big what?
40 big girls in a bottle. You trying to come party?
Let me see.
Like, nah, they in the bus, but like, it's big girls, like 400 pounds, like 40 of them.
You're talking about girls?
Yeah, big ones.
All right, what am I going to do with them?
Whatever you want.
All 40 of them?
All 40. They're like really like feisty, you know what I mean? I can't handle it myself, but if you come and shit, you can make it.
Filming.
Yeah, it's for my OnlyFans. Alright guys, so he looked at us in the camera and opened the door. This is one of those fancy buildings. Oh, this is your order, right?
Yes.
The Greek food?
Yes.
Yo, this is beautiful. Like,
Are you literally eating my food?
I mean, I was trying to taste it to see if it tastes like good. Wait. Yeah, sir, I'll pay. Sir. Sir, it's not your food. It's a, sir. Sir, it's not your food. It was a prank, sir. Hello? It was a prank. This is McDonald's. I was playing around. Here's some food. How we doing? You might get like silver stars, I ain't gonna lie. On a scale of 1 to 10, how mad do you think he is?
That nigga, he was holding something here, bro. Like, I don't have to go under the deck and...
Yo, you think he gonna give me 0 stars?
You gonna work, bro. I know he closed the door to call the bro. You gotta get the account pad. No more money for the 2 of us.
Dang, hold on. Let me see if he talk shit about me on Uber.
Gotta wait, bro. We gotta wait. He probably gonna take back the tip.
Yeah, bro.
He gonna take back the tip, bro.
He will. Let's see. Yeah, we're fucked. Yeah, he not jacking us, bro. He not jacking us.
It's bedtime.
Bedtime, yo, bro.
It's bedtime. It's
It's a
bedtime.
new order, bro. Come on.
It's bedtime.
Unless
we eating the food, we're not picking it up.
Yeah, my cameraman not jacking us, so that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all get this video to like 500 views or something, or like 50 likes, I'ma do this one in the hood, like in the actual hood, where shit can go down, I'ma do it there. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And new video on the way. If y'all get it to 50 likes or 500 views, then we might just get it to you this week. I ain't gonna lie.
And if you fall for it, that's you. I'ma eat it. Ah!
I'm balling the, I'm balling the season, I'm NBA bound. The shorty should drop it and down. Tell her to make a bounce. She wants some gas, I could hook you an ounce. Cash for silly, she